Hi, George Petersen here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Fallout Boy. Photojournalist Steve Jennings talks to front of house engineer Chad Olick, monitor engineer Rob Smuter, and crew about working on one of this year's hottest tours. This month, we visit some recent arena and stadium installs, which are trending towards musicality, vocal intelligibility, and sonic impact to heighten the fan experience. Bryan Reesman chats with award-winning sound designer Gareth Owen about this classic rock opera's return to Broadway after nearly 30 years. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on dual 12-inch line arrays. A 2- or 3-way double 12 box can be an ideal choice for jobs requiring a big sound. We present the hottest entries in the market. Shure launches the 2 new dynamic vocal microphones based on the groundbreaking new Revonic dual-transducer technology, and Front of House is first to put these to the test. Check it out. Outdoor gigs are here, and Steve La Cerra warns that a detailed understanding about the care and feeding of these power sources can make the difference between a successful or a nightmare gig. The world of RF communications has gotten far more complex over the years. John McJunkin, our man in the pews, looks at some simple ways of ensuring solid wireless performance.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.